Now I'm going to show you how to plant dahlias in here. So I've got two kinds of dahlias. I'm going to start off with Dinner Plate Dahlias first, and I'm going to put those in the middle because they are going to be the tallest, growing to about 85 centimetres in height. I've got Dahlia Blackjack here, which is a dark burgundy colour. And as I say, it's a dinner plate dahlia, so the heads of it will be quite big. And all I'm going to do is plant them in the middle. I'll be spacing them about 45 centimetres apart. And depth-wise, with your dahlia, you just want it to sit so that the stem from last year is just below the surface. So I'm going to pop that in there and cover it over. And then about 45 centimetres, so in here it's going to be about in the middle. Do my second hole. Okay, pop that in there and backfill it. And then I'm just going to do my third one, so about here. With your dahlias, planting them directly into your border, you want to wait until the frosts have passed. So you would only really do this from about May onwards. If you want to start buying your dahlias now, you can do because they're available in the garden centre, but I would advise that you start potting them off indoors first. So I've finished the Blackjack Dinner Plate Dahlias for the centre for a bit of height, and I'm just going to move around to the front and do the Happy Single Dahlias there because they're a more compact dahlia. And again, you're just doing them at just below the surface so that that stem's just below the surface there. And you can spread out the tubers a little bit. And then 45 centimetres, so I'm going to go about here. So they're a single flower, so perfect for attracting bees and butterflies. Cover it over. So that's your dahlias done.